Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 7, leçon O. And in this lesson we'll discover together les plats d'un repas. So it will be a short lesson, but still in the previous lesson we saw that all the verbs, the main verbs that we can use in French to discuss about cooking and how to prepare a dish. And now we'll see les plats d'un repas. Okay, so un apéritif, une entrée, un plat principal, un fromage. Okay, so let's see that. Un apéritif, so here you get the liaison between the two. Un apéritif, okay, and then you get the accent aigu, so it goes like et. Un apéritif, then une entrée, okay, remember, well, technically this final here is not pronounced, so phonetically it doesn't exist, so it's et, okay, entrée, remember, nasal here, entrée, une entrée, then un plat principal, final T here, not pronounced, un plat principal, en, remember, it's nasal, it goes in your nose, un principal, un plat principal, all right, then un fromage, okay, remember, j, okay, in that case, you don't insist on the final j, fromage, un fromage, all right, then une salade, un dessert, un café. All right, so une salade, same thing here, final you don't insist on it, it only gives you the pronunciation of the previous letter, so d, salade, okay, une salade, un dessert, okay, so remember that we've got here two S, okay, that's the reason why you pronounce it S, and then it opens the dessert, un dessert. So you don't say un dessert, okay? But you say un dessert. Final T not pronounced. Un dessert. All right? Un café. Okay, remember accent aigu here. Un café. Okay? So you get everything now to talk about les plats. Okay, have a great day. YouTube.com/imagier, that's the channel, and then the website imagier.net. Bye bye.